how are you all doing? Welcome back. A lot of my friends and viewers have been asking me about affordable fashion in Dubai, and I ended up checking for it. And I found this particular online store which has very affordable items. So, this online store is called DOD.UAE. Again, it's called DOD.UAE. And my first impression about this online store was like it has everything from fashion, home essentials, makeup, electricals. It has everything, and the rates they had mentioned were super surprising. And I ended up shopping for a few products because I was really curious to know about the quality of their product when compared to their price. And I also had it in mind that if this is really working, I also wanted to share this site with all of y'all, like all of my friends who are in UAE. So yes, without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. So this top which I'm wearing here is my first item. This is a very cute blush pink top. This comes in a free size, and yes, it is a transparent top, so you need to wear a spaghetti inside. And it has the small ruffle detail all over, and it has a turtleneck too. The quality is amazing, and coming to the price of this particular top, it was just for 12 dirhams. I have nothing to complain. Everything is super amazing about this top. So yes, this is my first top. Moving on to the next top, it's this fluorescent lemon yellow top. This is a lace top, and this is again a full sleeve, and it comes with off shoulder. This is again a free size, very comfortable. The quality is top notch, nothing to complain at all. And yes, the fit is perfect. Everything about this top is so perfect. And again, the rate for this top was 12 dirhams again. And yes. Next up is this super cute pearl embellished navy blue floral top. Has pearls all over, like the back is completely plain, but the front has a lot of pearls. This is again a free size, and this top was for 15 dirhams. I guess it's because of all the pearl embellishments, but however, so far so good. I am happy with all the three products which I showed you all. Next up, we have this classic blue and white striped one side off shoulder top. This is perfect to style as an office wear, and this is a full sleeve and which ends up with a slight frill. This top was for around 22 dirhams. Next up, we have this very simple but cute floral top. You can just style this up with a black jeans or with a black skirt like I have done here. It has slight collars, and it also has these pearl detail through the neckline. And this top was for 11 dirhams. Now this one is a very pretty olive green color lace top. It fits so perfectly. It literally fits me like a glove, and you can style this up with a black skirt or denim, or even with an off-white skirt or denim. And this top was just for 12 dirhams. Now this one is a very sporty casual looking top. It comes with this perfect color combination of white, red and blue. You can style it as it is with a black jeans, or you can just add a black denim jacket and change the entire look. And this top was for 18 dirhams. I found some super trendy jackets on their website, and I went ahead and selected two of them. Now this is the first one. This is the very colorful boho looking jacket. It is very lightweight, and it also comes with this silver zipper. The price for this was around 28 dirhams. Now this is the next jacket, and when compared to the last one, the material of this one is a little more thick, and it comes with this very unique color combination, and you can style this up with a black bottom or even a white bottom. And this was also for 28 dirhams. Next up is this very simple noodle strap leopard print cami top. It was just for 7 dirhams because they had a flash sale on it. It just fits so perfectly. You can just style it as it is, or you can even style it up with a black jacket. So that was all what I bought from DOD UAE online store. Like I mentioned, all these products are absolutely amazing for the price that I paid for them. So I am definitely recommending all my friends in UAE to just go and check out the website. I will leave a link to that website down in the description box, so please check it out. So I hope all of y'all enjoyed watching this. I will be back with more videos. Until then, take care, stay blessed. Bye.